So we're reading the book Number the Stars for our circles. I'm Daniel. This is Shaun, and our question is, what happened to Anne Marie's mom? So we know that she was just on a mission to save the Jews,
But
and
maybe they go a little more detailed.
yeah, and because they were evacuating them to Sweden on boat, but it was a super secret mission, and the Nazis were suspicious of them. So
yeah.
we made a video earlier because she wasn't home, and Anne Marie was kind of wondering. So Anne Marie woke up at about 4 in the morning, and she didn't see her mom. She thought that she was just maybe trying not to wake Anne Marie up when she got home
And went to bed.
Quiet. So Anne Marie went upstairs to bed, and then she looked out the window. It was a little bit white out, but still pretty dark. But she was looking out, and then she saw this weird shape that she hadn't seen. She knew she hadn't seen the day before, and she was squinting to try and see what it was. But then she realized that it was her mom rolling around on the ground. But we know that she was just on a dangerous mission, so we're wondering, what happened to her. Do you have any ideas, Shaun?
Well, I'm just going to go a little more into the mission. Ellen, Anne Marie's best friend, had been staying with them, and they had to cut through this deep forest. And Ellen and her two parents were going with Mama to get to this boat where Peter would then sail them. Right? Peter.
Yeah.
Would sail them.
No, Uncle Henry.
No, Uncle Henrik would. Sorry. And they'd get to Sweden. And Sweden was the only one of Nazis not invading. Sweden was the only free place right now, and they thought they'd be safe there. Now, possibly they saw Nazis in the ocean, a little far in the ocean, and they saw them, and they were running. The next chapter is called Run. It's called... One second.
Here, I have it. It's called
Run.
Run as fast as you can.
And maybe, Anne Marie's mom is going to warn Anne Marie if she goes outside, the Nazis are coming. Possibly, maybe she was, shot in the leg or something, and she, had to trip, or she just tripped on one of the roots, because earlier in the text, when she had been walking through the forest, it said the trees were making huge, roots everywhere.
I totally forgot about that.
Yeah, she could have tripped and even got, knocked out unconscious because she was hurrying home. It could just be a little thing like that.
Yeah, I wonder, my guess is that that's a good idea, because I remember that too now. The mom was saying, walk very carefully. There's tons of roots that you can easily trip on.
But why wouldn't she be walking carefully if she's the one who said that? She have to be going in a hurry. Maybe
she saw it. Maybe the Nazis were there,
but they didn't see her, and she was running.
Yeah, she was running away, and she tripped, and then she got knocked, and she got hurt when she fell.
Yeah,
maybe twisted an ankle or something.
Yeah, she could have twisted her ankle, and that really would be bad when they are trying to get to Sweden. Think of how much that would slow them down. Not that it's the mama's fault.
Yeah.
At least we think it's probably not her fault, but it really affects the story, especially for that character. Yeah. What else do you think possibly, even if it's a little, just a little thing could have happened?
Well, I mean, we know that the Nazis were, being rude to her, and they slapped her. They could have, knocked her out or something.
Anne Marie only sees her. Possibly, do you think she even fell asleep? I know it's kind of strange and a little...
Yeah, maybe she, fell over, tripped, and she hurt something that she couldn't get up, and then she fell asleep.
Just laid there until someone helped her.
And fell asleep.
And so... Yeah, I'm trying to think of a possible idea, but I think what we're leaning towards is a really strong statement. The Nazis are probably going after them. Where are Ellen, her parents, and Peter though?
Yeah, if the mom fell over there, where is everyone else?
Yeah, do you think they were captured by the Nazis?
Yeah, maybe. That's a possibility.
And then mom was the only one who made it, and she was running, and she fell.
Yeah.
So maybe the Nazis are still walking through the forest, and Anne Marie, and it was quite coincidental that Anne Marie just saw her mom. Maybe they couldn't even find. Remember through this, there's this giant
forest.
No, there's this. Yes. There's a lot. It's really hard to see. There's a big fog outside, the dimness.
Oh yeah.
And maybe they can't. The Nazis were looking and they couldn't find the mom. And then she was when she tripped, she fell unconscious though. And then they walked away with the others.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wait.
Yeah. So that's gonna wrap up the video. We still have a ton of other predictions and on what we're gonna and what might happen. But thanks for watching.